Okay, so what we got here is a Mini Cooper 2015 installed with factory style CarPlay and Android Auto on the original screen. So these cars do not come with CarPlay, so we retrofit it onto the original screen, so everything's still the same. And you can use your original controller. So what you do is you hold down the back button and it switches over. It's all wireless, so no wires are needed. You can use your original controller to move around. You can use all your favorite apps on here. All the sound comes with the original system as well.
Sometimes things that are your type on paper don't always turn out to be for you in real life. That's why T-Level.
And you can always switch back to your original screen by holding down the back button. There you go. So back to your original system. If you want something like this installed on yours, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit our Car Sound Security in Ilford Ganshill, IG2 628. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, guys.